issues pretty well and were most informative. The HOA attorney's tactics are unfortunately not unfamiliar in Pennsylvania. In essence, their opinions of the three issues at hand were: my property is adjacent to HOA properties, which means institute, defend, or intervene in litigation or administrative proceedings or engage in arbitrations or mediations in its own name on behalf of itself or two or more unit owners on matters affecting the current community. Emphasis on the legislature using the governing term affecting, which may or may not include adjacent properties that would be for a judge to decide. Also, insurance is implicated because aggressive breeds are within the boundaries of the plant community, and thus higher premiums are required, or so they say. They think HOA doesn't have the power to directly fine me, but under a certain paragraph at least win the day by war of attrition through litigation, attempted liens, and making my life hell. The recorder of deeds erred, not my fight now, but would likely become my fight if the deed is retroactively modified. In that case, it would cost a substantial amount of money to appeal the Court of Common Plea order if a judge were to be convinced that my deed should be modified. Highly unlikely, but the HOA does have the right to try a petition. I cannot do anything until the injury is real or imminent. Deeds may be retroactively modified, yes, but only under very, very extenuating and very limited circumstances, which probably doesn't apply here because there was no obvious or flagrant error. Rather than modifying the deed, the HOA could harass the township, code enforcement division, code inspector, and recorder of deeds to the point that if I were to apply for any additional building permits, pool shed, patio, etc., theoretically I could be pressured into accepting easements placed on my property or otherwise have all permits denied. In summary, until matter 1 is resolved, in a few weeks have a title search performed to see if any liens are placed on my property, don't leave my house vacant for more than 24 hours, don't respond to the HOA. Also make sure my county dog licenses, vaccinations, and vet records are up to date. Don't apply for any more permits or even have the final inspection done on the basement I just finished. Edit. Oops. Lastly, they will draft and send a letter filled with nice legal terms to the HOA to go pound sand and leave me alone. Last edit. Some have suggested I contact the police about stakes thrown in my yard and veiled threats that I have received. However, it is so circumstantial that it may cause more harm than good. And guys, you wouldn't be on my channel if there wasn't another update, of course. However, I would really appreciate it if you could post some star emojis in the comments and also like the video if you enjoy my daily content. This really helps my channel and I would really appreciate your support. Thank you so much, and now let's continue to the next update. Second update to the insane HOA story. Lawyers received an emailed letter last night, digitally signed from the HOA legal firm's senior partner. At the local court waiting for a motion to be filed to dismiss the fines and seek punitive damages, I will summarize. Holy crap, our client made a big mistake. Not really their fault though, because it turns out the township builder and road engineers all filed differing information. Likely, someone made a mistake and tried to cover it up or fix it without anyone knowing. We just advocated for our client with information we had. We would have been right had information we had was correct, and we would have won. Our bad though. Road was supposed to be HOA's. Township said, oh yeah, you can have it because the builder built it. County Emergency Management said, oh hell no, and told the builder the road had to be connected to a main road to the north, adding 150 feet of road. The road became township's, no one told HOA, and HOA thought they were getting a freebie with main road access to north and south, made repairs to potholes over 3 years, and assumed road and rights were theirs. Access to road owned by HOA and my adjacent property equals playing by their rules. Code enforcement officer negotiated with me about drainage pits in part because the number of properties in the given area without them would have exceeded standards, and builder would have had to add a retention pond for runoff. Too expensive. Code enforcement officer mandated I do the drainage pits on my and my neighbor's property, never officially recorded the written agreement I signed for occupancy permit, builder avoids retention pond building, kickback. Additionally, instead of differentiating all the properties in the filing plan and environmental report, properties with deed restrictions were